Yeah, you guys, guess what? I can go live again on TikTok. I got out of TikTok jail. It's amazing. So Dottie and I are in a taxi in Seoul. There she is. And we're kind of far from the palace now, but okay, wait, that's kind of cool. It's very Korean-esque, that statue. Oh, there's a fountain going outside. Fun, right? I don't even know who's on right now because I know it's late in the US. Like, I think it's like midnight or 1 o'clock your time. Oh yeah, it's 1 a.m. for the East Coast right now. So you guys, you better be in bed. Do not join this. I will feel really bad about that. But I just thought it'd be fun to get on here and say hello to anybody who did happen to be on. And now that I can go live again, it just felt like I would.
Oh, we're going karaoke.
That's right.
So look out.
That's
look
right.
Out.
So there might be another live coming. Oh my gosh. Hey, Marie. See, Marie's on the Pacific Coast, so it's not as crazy late for her as the East Coast people. Hey, Marie. So guess what? I'm out of TikTok prison for lives. I'm able to do it again. This is Seoul. We're in a taxi heading back to the hotel. And we're going karaokeing tonight with Filler House. So Yulia from Filler House is taking us out to dinner and going karaokeing. I don't even know if that's like a correct like conjugation of like I'm treating karaoke like it's a verb. But we're gonna go and we're gonna sing our hearts out. And so here's the outside of the Four Seasons. So we're just gonna go in there. And you've done an excellent job, sir. Thank you. Doesn't speak English, but I mean I don't speak Korean, so it's not like I'm judging it. After today I really wish that I would have done some Rosetta Stone in Korean. Gosh, Dottie, why didn't you yes, exactly. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna walk in. Oh my gosh, Ryan, it's too late for you to be on this. Okay, wait, hold on. I need to find my wallet so I can pay our gentleman. Dottie's stuck inside. She's stuck. She's trapped inside the cab. Hello, sir. Okay, here you go. J-Day says, hey, hope you guys are having fun. Thank you. Unicorns for real says, so fun. Thank you. Hello. Oh, thank you so much. I'm just trying to organize myself right now. Oh, thank you, sir. Okay, you guys, I'll walk you inside the hotel. We're here. And since Dottie and I got done with the K-Beauty Expo early, I think we might have time to do a little Korean spa time, which, that's the only reason I really come on these trips is so that I can get some spa time in. Okay. Thank you very much.
How was Kintex?
It was great. Thank you. Yes, it was wonderful. Okay. Wow. How many things can I do at one time? All right. You ready to go in? Okay. Here we go. Going inside. You guys, I love how this hotel smells. It smells so good that... Dottie's like, I never know where to be with this girl. But it smells so good. And I remember how good it smelled last time, but they weren't selling the scent. Well, now they are. And so I got it this morning and it smells delicious. I love it so much. Good morning or afternoon. So anyways, we're gonna go up to the room. I don't know if the Wi-Fi is gonna hold or the live is gonna hold, but we'll see. If it cuts out, you know why. Because we're gonna get into the elevator shaft. All right, Dottie, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's see. Sack Mom says, my husband is watching. Can you please convince him that the products from Filler House are safe? Oh, girl. Oh, 29, actually. We're the top floor, 29. You have to get out the key. Oh, hello. I can't convince anyone of anything. All I can do is, you can share with him the app. Yeah, I mean, Dottie's... coming out?
3 o'clock, and not too far.
Hey, is it working?
What time? It's 3.
Is it holding in the elevator?
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
So there's a quiet thing to relax.
I probably
No,
have better
you
service
guys
here
are
than I
really
do in the
quiet.
US. That's the truth. Because
Just go.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
Sarah, it's us.
Oh.
So isn't that amazing that it held the live the whole time in the elevator? Yeah. I know. Okay, wait. I'm gonna flip you guys around so that when we go into the room, you're gonna open the door, Dottie. I'm gonna flip you guys around so that you can see as we go into the room. Let me flip it. Okay. So this is the Four Seasons. In case you guys didn't know. Supposedly the Four Seasons in Seoul is the best hotel in all of Korea. I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, it is really amazing. We have this really amazing room right here. Oh, let me show you guys. So this is the view out to the palace. So last time I was here, we had this room. And so the whole bathroom and everything viewed out to the palace. So look at, there's the palace, you guys. So everyone's dressed up in their dresses like I did that time, and they're taking their pictures in the palace. Did you? Okay, I have a key. Here, let me find it. It's somewhere in all of my random stuff. Let me see. Let me drop stuff and see where I can get it. It froze just for a bit. Oh, it keeps freezing. I wonder if that was when I was in the elevator. Here, Dottie. Here's the key. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. So when you come in, you've got the bathroom here. And then this is a double club room, which means, so we have 2 beds because Dottie refused to sleep in the same bed as me. I'm just kidding. And then we have the seating area over here. Hold on, let me drop some of this stuff. I know, isn't it gorgeous, you guys? Okay, so it was the elevator, but now it's good now. Okay, awesome. So this is looking down to the street. This is, again, the 29th floor. This is the highest floor they have here. And then there's Dottie in her bed. And then I have my whole workstation set up here because I am supposed to obviously work. And then a little tea service area. These are the closets, so I have everything organized and put in here, which is beautiful. Dottie has her set over there too. There are these big mirrors right when you walk in, so you know. And then this is the bathroom, so you have a big tub, double sinks. I will say that this bathroom, and I felt this way the last time we came here, there's not really a lot of places to store or put anything, but I love the shower setup with the toilet setup. So this marble, it's Carrera, it smells amazing. If you've ever been to like French bathhouses, Turkish bathhouses, when this gets wet, it just smells that way, like an ancient, I don't know, aroma. So you've got the water overhead and the wand. They stuck a mirror there. And then these transoms on the side let light into the toilet room. And then the floor, you can see this, it slopes back into a drain back there. So you don't have a middle drain in the tile. So it's really, really beautiful. And then we have a controller for the toilet. So yes, the toilet will wash you and everything, which is, again, super nice. So anyways, this is the room. We are in Seoul, Jane. And let me flip it around. Oh, beat. And we're going to get ready to go karaokeing tonight and everything. Dottie's going to show me her skills.
Karaoke skills, yes.
Yeah.
Master.
I mean, everybody needs to have some good karaoke skills, so. And then I think right now, before we get ready to go to dinner, with Yulia from Filler House and her team. We're gonna go check out the Korean spa. They have the most amazing, well, okay, they actually call it a Korean sauna. If you call it a spa, they're referring to the place where you can get like a facial. But if it's soy laundry, oh, I'm missing something. But anyways, I know I'm getting like completely sidetracked. I think it's because I'm tired. But today we saw some good stuff. I mean, we made it through half the show. I would say that most of it, like Dottie was saying to me, it felt like she's seen a lot of these products. They're just in different packages. And I'm like, yeah, exactly. It's like the same thing, but it just gets packaged a million different ways. And you're like, yeah, I know. How long was the flight? The flight from California to Seoul is 11 and a half hours from San Francisco to the Seoul airport, Incheon. But Dottie flew from JFK and she went directly to Japan and then came to Korea. So that flight, that probably wasn't much longer than my flight because you go more north.
18 hours.
No, there's not a flight that's 18 hours, Dottie. The longest flight is between San Francisco and Dubai.
It was long. You saw my
Because I know JFK to Shanghai is like 11 or 12. So I think it was probably pushing 12 her nonstop. But that's because they go over, they head more north and then drop down. Will you be able to take product back home? Of course. Did you do something to your jaw? Is there something wrong with my jaw?
Snatched.
Like in a good way? I don't know. I haven't done anything to it besides just, again, picking at my growth on the side of my face. Can you put the large PDO threads in yourself? When you say that, Blair, what are you talking about when you say large PDO threads? I mean, if you're talking about cogged threads, yeah. I mean, you could essentially put anything in yourself that you wanted. It just depends on your pain tolerance or if you have injectable lidocaine or just in the end, the balls and the ability, right? But I mean, I say that with like trying to think of a better word. What do you do for serious dark circles? I don't know. I mean, I don't personally treat dark circles for myself too much. I mean, I do mesotherapy underneath my eyes. So like, here's light. See, Dottie, this light is so much nicer for doing makeup than...
Oh, it was dark this morning.
I know, it was dark this morning. So I will do meso underneath my eyes. And, but like if you have hyperpigmentation, that's something different. That's like something that is genetic and that's what your skin does. So I don't have that. My skin gets thin and then the dark circle or the dark area is just from the vessels that you can see through the skin. So what is the plan for the next few 12 hours? So the plan is, Ryan, we are going to go to the Korean sauna and soak, right, Dottie?
Yes.
You ready to get naked and soak?
Sure, I guess.
Melissa told you it wouldn't be a bad deal. She told you. And then after that, we'll come back. We'll get dressed for dinner and karaoke. And then we'll come back, go to sleep, get up, have breakfast, go back to the show. And I am really hoping that actually we just wrap the show up tomorrow and we don't spend the third day there. I just feel like there's other things to do and we'll be able to get through the rest of the show tomorrow. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. Unless somebody wants to meet with us or something, but it doesn't really feel that way. So the show that we're attending right now is called the K-Beauty Expo. So it happens in October each year. And so this show is running today through Saturday, so the 6th through the 9th. Is the show online? Oh, that's a good question. There might be virtual tickets. I don't know. Oh, you like my nails? Thank you so much. anyways, you guys, thanks for joining me on this. Thanks. I just felt like maybe I would do this live since I just realized I got out of TikTok live jail, and it feels really fresh and nice and new to see all of you guys. And I'm ready to go soak in the tub and recharge before going and singing my heart out tonight in Korean karaoke. Oh, Beautiful says, why jail? Girl, we don't know. Oh, they claimed that it was hateful speech, which is not true. It's just that the trolls and the bullies on TikTok report me for anything, and now hate speech is like a trigger. So it's like you get reported for that, and then like they just are like, yes, you are a hateful person. And I'm like, what? So that's but anyways, it just got released, so that's why I'm able to go live. And I'll see you guys soon, you guys. Bye. Have a good night.